Hello everyone! This is a tutorial on how to join a live stream on a Discord server. I'm going to do it in two parts, the first of which is going to be using the Discord app, and then the second part is using Discord on the browser. Now, for the browser part, you absolutely need to use Chrome. Only Chrome. Just Chrome. So if you're not going to use the app, and it is the desktop app, then take the time that I'm explaining how to join a Discord live stream on the desktop app and go get Chrome. Because you need Chrome. Period. Chrome. What you see here is the Triangle Couchsurfing's unofficial Discord server. Each of the things that you see in the left-hand list are called channels. The channels are grouped together into things called categories. So room 1, room 2, room 3 are categories, and how to Discord, general, can-town, and capital general, etc. are all channels. Channels come in two formats: text, indicated by a leading hashtag, and audio, indicated by a leading speaker symbol. You may only be in one audio channel at a time, so don't go hopping about from audio channel to audio channel, even though you can go hopping about from text channel to text channel, and streaming only takes place in an audio channel. So that'll be the audio channel that you are limited to. We have multiple rooms so that in the event that we're doing some sort of simultaneous events, we can be like, the movie is in room 1, and the board game thing is in room 2, and the whatever is in room 3. Keep your eye on the user named Mike C. Something exciting is going to happen next to his name in the Capital General audio channel. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now there is a live icon next to Mike's name. If you hover over it, there's a little button that says Watch Stream. There's also a pro tip that says double-click user to watch, and it just so happens that if you hover your mouse over the little icon at the top, which should show his screen, you can click there. So there are like 3 ways to watch his stream. I don't care which one you pick, do one of them. And that's it. You are now watching a live stream of the movie that Mike is showing from his computer. Et voila, that was easy. Now we're going to go over some alternate views to look at in case what you don't want to see is the movie that Mike is showing on his computer. Okay, so I'm going to just show that you hover over this and then you click on Watch Stream. And then it pulls it up real big. And then it can go to Grid View. And in Grid View, I can single click and go back to full screen. And I'm talking, and this is annoying Mike because he's trying to watch a video. So I'm now going to show that what I am going to do is I'm going to mute myself by clicking the mute button. And now I can talkity talk. And it's not a problem, and Mike is not sad. I can even do this and watch it and get a little thing so that I can watch while I have something to say. And then I can stop watching by just clicking stop watching. So hello, we are now in a web browser. It starts at the top with an ad, which we don't need because it doesn't matter. Once again, you'll see the channels on the left and the user list on the right. And we are in the general chat channel, which goes with the general talk channel. And once again, Mike has a live stream icon. We just go over here and we click Watch Stream. And the stream will pull up. There it is. It buffers a little bit slower on the web browser, but there it is. And we are watching, and it works the same as it does here. You can type things, thing about browsers are sometimes you'll get weird things like ice checking, which means it's going to go slow and the audio will connect eventually. You've got a better chance of doing that in Chrome. Clearly, I am using Safari, so that's not going to work so well for me. And also, if I want to see it big, I double-click on this, and now I'm in here. And then from in here, I just single-click on Mike's screen, and I can see it really big. If I suddenly have a thought that I want to type, I go over to the corresponding text channel, so general with general, but then if you look down, room 1 together, room 2s go together, room 3s go together. So don't put if you're in audio channel room 3, don't put your thoughts in general. If you're in audio channel room 1, put your thoughts in text channel room 1. And you go back over to general, single click, and now are typing. And then hit enter to submit that thought. And then we can go back to watching full screen by clicking the back arrow, the left arrow, and the word. The end.